In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can change or increase the FPS limit in Minecraft. So this is very easy. The first thing you need to do is open the Minecraft game and go into any Minecraft world or multiplayer server. Then open the menu, go to options, video settings, and you will see max frame rate right here. So basically what the frame rate does is, for example, if I set it to 20 FPS, you will see the frame rate is too low and the game will not look smooth. It will look very laggy. So I recommend you to increase it. But if you increase it too much, you can experience some lag spikes or some troubles because maybe your device is not that good. So I recommend you to play with this. In my case, I will leave it at 120 so I enjoy a smoother gameplay and I don't have any issues with my computer. If your computer is not that good, then you might need to lower it a little bit. So just play with it and you will see what frame rate fits well for you. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.